Problem 9. A rectangle is partitioned into 5 regions as shown. Each region is to be painted a solid color given below so that the regions that touch are painted different colors. And colors can be used more than once. How many different colorings are possible? So to do this, just give yourself, one case to work with, which is start with this cube and then work onwards. We could have 5 possible colors, right? Because when we choose any cube for the first one, such as this one, we can have 5 possible choices. So we have 5 colors right here. But then, let's consider the next cube, which is the neighboring cube. The neighboring cube touches the 5. And notice, I only consider this neighbor first. I don't consider this neighbor or this neighbor. Why do I not consider these neighbors? Well, that's because this is the only cube that's colored as of this moment. So, this is the only cube that we have to consider of the possible limitations in coloring. Since we chose one of the 5 colors, then we can only have 4 colors here. And likewise, let's consider the next restrictive cube, which is this one. Notice that as of right now, only this cube and this cube are colored. But even though this cube has 1, 2, 3, 4 neighbors, we only consider its upper 2 neighbors for this reason. Therefore, if the upper 2 neighbors already took 2 colors, then we cannot have the 2 colors that they chose. Therefore, we can only have 5 minus 2 to get 3 possible colors. Now let's consider this cube. This cube has 2 painted neighbors. Therefore, we can only have 5 minus 2 to give 3 possible colorings. And for this one, it's the same thing with 3. Now that we have all the numbers, we multiply them together because for probability, or rather for how many different possible variations, we multiply to signify and, the relationship of and, where this cube can have 5 and this has 4 and this and these 3 have 3 respectively. So that's 20 times 3 cubed, which is equal, or that's 3 cubed, so that's 20 times 27, which is 540, bringing you to an answer choice of D.